How to play against bots in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner, and over here you get this option of training camp, and simply open it up. And this way you would be able to play against bots, and even if you lose the game, you would not be losing the trophies. And this is a great way to practice. But if you want to play against bots in the arena mode, then there is a way as well. And here you can see that if I cancel it up and go to the main menu back, and you would see that I have not loosened up any trophy over here. So let's get back, and to get the bots in your arena, then just simply click on battle, cancel, battle, cancel, battle, cancel, and keep doing it until you see the cancel button disappear, and this way you would be getting the bot. But this is not 100% guaranteed, but there are high chances that you would get a bot, and you might also encounter the real players, but the chances of getting a bot is also there with this method. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.